Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to remove your Facebook profile from your Instagram account on your Android device. So for this guys, first you need to open your Instagram. After opening the bottom right side corner of your screen, you can get your profile picture of your Instagram. Just tap on it, okay? And here in the top right side corner, you can get three lines. Just tap on it. From here you need to open the settings. In these settings guys, just slightly scroll down, here you can get the option account center. Just tap on it, okay? And here just tap on your account, and as you can see, you can get your profile name. Just tap on it, and once again tap on your profile, and here you can get your Facebook and Instagram account. As you can see, if you want to remove your Facebook account from your Instagram profile, just tap on your Facebook profile, and here you can get your option remove from account center. Just tap on it if you want to remove, okay? So that's it today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.